Abhijit, or how did this film happen?
सो इस पिक्चर के लिए मैंने पहले टेस्ट दे दिया था अपू सर को, बट मैं फाइनल नहीं हुआ था। जब सरबजीत रिलीज़ हुई थी, आई थिंक वो देखने गए थे और उस दिन उन्होंने मुझे वापस बुलाया था और उस दिन मुझे पिक्चर मिली थी।
And he's a good husband, yeah.
Hi Shraddha.
Hi.
This is Monica from Pop Bollywood.
Hi.
I just want to know you कि आज 22 years हो गए थे DDLJ को यहाँ पे screening के, and fans are now a bit disturbed because the trailer launched. So what do you want to
Sorry, say that again, please.
22 years से यहाँ DDLJ की screening हो रही थी, and आज disturb हो गए, and fans are a bit upset.
Really?
They missed the screening. Yeah. So what do you want to say on it?
I'm not aware of this actually. Is anybody upset? If anybody is upset, I would want to say sorry, because we would not want to make anyone upset about anything. But I'm not aware ki, I don't know if anybody has been, if there is anybody who's upset or anything. Would you know?
Can we
Somebody-
have next question, please?
Haan.
Yeah. Relevant to the movie.
Hi Shraddha, how much weight did you?
Mr. Invisible.
Yeah. So how much weight did you actually put on, and can you talk us through the weight gaining and weight losing journey?
I put on a few kilos. Apu sir, how many kilos I put on? I don't remember. 8?
I think it was 7 to
7
9.
to, yeah. And now I'm in the process of losing that weight, and I'm trying to. लेकिन of course I was hoping कि यार वो weight मेरे arms पे जाए थोड़ा सा, लेकिन हर किसी का body type होता है, तो ज़्यादा करके मेरे पेट पे ही जा रहा था और hips पे जा रहे थे ज़्यादा करके. I wish कि एक कोई ऐसा feature होता कि यार थोड़ा और arms पे जाए, थोड़ा और यहाँ पे आ जाए, थोड़ा और you can direct your weight. पर हर किसी का body type होता है, तो तो मेरा मतलब आई विश कि यार मेरे हाथों पे जाता तो थोड़ा और मज़ा आता, पर इट वाज अ प्रोसेस. उस वक्त वर्कआउट बिल्कुल नहीं करना था, कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं थी, जो भी खाना चाहते हो आप खा सकते हो. अपू सर सेट पे रोज़ बिरयानी, गुलाब जामुन, क्या क्या, ओहो हो. अभी देखो, अभी ना हो, बहुत खिलाया अपू सर ने, बहुत, हम सबको बहुत खिलाया. And I think that, he loves, you have to see his face when he's talking about food. He's like, he lights up, it's like, आज खाने में क्या खाओगे? आज बिरयानी यहाँ से मंगाए, आज ये करे. And we तो are like always ready. We were very, and he would always order not one dish, 7 dishes. मतलब feeding everybody. So I think that my weight gain credit goes to Apu sir.
And the film was earlier offered to Sonakshi, so when you were offered the film, were you aware of this fact, and was the feeling any different?
I didn't get too much into it because, of course, sometimes you hear things and all of that, but मैं actually मेरे खुद के bubble में रहती हूँ ज़्यादा करके, तो मुझे I was just most excited कि अपू सर मेरे सामने बैठे मुझे फिल्म ऑफर करे, तो मैं उससे ही बहुत excited थी.
Okay, thanks.
Hi
Last
Shraddha.
question,
Hi
please.
Mr. Rakia. Bhavna.
That
from
will be
Zee.
the last question.
Here.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi Bhavna.
Very impactful trailer, I must say.
Thank you.
मिस्टर लाकिया, जिस तरीके की ये फिल्म है या जिस तरीके का भी दौर है, जितना मुश्किल फिल्म बनाना होता है उतना मुश्किल रिलीज़ करना होता है. हर इंडिविजुअल खड़ा हो जाता है, उसको फिल्म से दिक्कत होती है, स्क्रीनिंग की डिमांड की जाती है. क्या आपको लगता है आपकी इस फिल्म को भी आगे चल के ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है कि आप कुछ स्क्रीनिंग रखेंगे किसी के लिए? यू.
Oh, okay. You said hi to Shraddha, sir.
I said hi to both.
Okay. So you know what? There are advantages and disadvantages of living in a democracy. And I guess the advantage is that everyone has a right to opinion. And we are lucky to be born here where we can actually express whatever we feel like. Lekin, when you start making a movie, the last thing you want to think about is what people are going to react to besides the audience. अगर आप कहीं भी देखे जाए तो पिक्चर बनती है 5 लोगों के डिसीजन से. एक डायरेक्टर होता है, वो प्रोड्यूसर को कन्विंस करता है, वो 2 एक्टर्स को कन्विंस करता है, और राइटर होता है, उसमें पैसे लगा के हम पिक्चर बना देते हैं. द क्वेश्चन इज, as a director and as a filmmaker and as someone who likes to say a story, मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है बनाने के लिए, but I cannot foresee के problem क्या होने वाला है, because like I said, जब लोग पिक्चर देखेंगे समझ जाएंगे कि हमने दोनों साइड का रिसर्च किया है, हमने ट्रेलर भी बैलेंस किया है, जो हमें बोलना था वो बोला है ट्रेलर में, एंड देयर इज़ इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कैरेक्टर जिसका किरदार श्रद्धा निभा रही है ऑन द इंटरनेट. देयर इज़ इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हर ब्रदर एंड व्हाट हर ब्रदर्स डन, एंड जो पिक्चर का माहौल है वो बॉम्बे की हिस्ट्री के 40 साल में है, तो वो हमने दिखाया है स्क्रीन पे एज बेस्ट टू आवर नॉलेज, जितना हमने रिसर्च किया था, जितना इंटरनेट पे है, जितना लोगों से बात की है. तो स्क्रीनिंग तो स्पेशल किसी के लिए नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन अगर कुछ होता है तो देखेंगे यार, बट आई होप होता नहीं है.
All the best.
Thank
Shraddha,
you so
Justin
much.
here from PTI.
Thank you, please, thank you. Okay, that's the last question,
Yeah.
please. Can we take the mic?
Shraddha, we of course haven't seen you in a role like Hasina Parker, but honestly, before the film happened, were you a little bored of doing the girl next door roles which Bollywood was offering you?
I don't think I can ever get bored of romantic films and being a part of romantic films. I think that I've had the opportunity to be a part of a few romantic films now, you know, films that have had a very strong love angle. So me being somebody who loves watching them, watching romantic movies, I love being a part of them. And I would always take up a interesting romantic script, always. So, and I feel like, I think being an actor can very rarely be a boring thing to do or to be, because you get to play so many characters, and I cannot remember one instance when I was bored. Okay, except for when if I take very long to get ready for my character, sometimes that can get a bit challenging in terms of, you know, how long you can sit on that chair. And then you're like, break, please, 2 minute break. Then you walk and you do a little stretching and all that. You know, go and sit on your chair again. But I think that being an actor and just being in films is a real privilege, and you get to be a part of so many different worlds. So I feel very grateful for all the films that have been offered to me.
Thank you so much for the questions. Thank you, media members. अपूर्व, आप फोटो op के लिए कुछ और
Yeah.
टीम मेंबर्स को बुलाना चाहेंगे,
Yeah,
प्लीज?
just for a photograph, can I invite my cast and crew on stage just to take a photograph, guys? Please come.
Also, along with them, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Kishan
Come,
Jain.
guys. फसाद, स्टीवन, समीर, शर्मा रहा है यार, तू पहले तो बोल रहा था कि आ जा. Just want to take a photograph
Kishan
for all
Jain.
of us.
Mr. Amit Gupta from Global Outdoor.
We're taking a photo with my kids. All my bachas.
Mr. Manoj Desai.
In the movie.
Mr. Manoj Desai, Executive Director of Maratha Mandir Cinemas.
फसाद, स्टीवन, हरप्रीत, अजय, who else is here? सुनील. चिंतन.
With this, I would also like to thank Mr. Rajendra Gavde, Trustee Maratha Mandir Cinemas, and Mr. Rohit Shetty from Srinathji. Thank you so much for making this afternoon possible.
And lastly, thank you all for coming and taking the time to come and watch our trailer. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, 18th of August is the release date. Please find some time and go and be a part of this journey. Can we have solo pictures of the star cast, please? Apurva, before you walk down the stage, we need some solo pictures.